on Wednesday, we have UK services inflation data out. The key data to focus on for the UK remains labour data, wage growth data, and data from services inflation. Bank of England Governor Bailey recognised that things are moving in the right direction at the latest meeting, and on Friday, after that latest meeting for the Bank of England on March the 21st, Bailey said that rate cuts were in play at future Bank of England meetings. So, what will we see from the UK inflation data on Wednesday? Notice that from a seasonal perspective, there is a period of pound US dollar strength. The pound dollar has gained 73% of the time over the last 15 years between 19th of April and 30th of April, with an average return of 0.5% and some maximum gains of over 2.5%. Some pretty strong gains here in 2009, 11, 13, and 2015. So if we see the print come in much higher than markets are expecting, if you just go to the Wednesday's data, you can see that markets are expecting CPI at 3.1%, month on month at 0.4%. If this comes in above 3.5% for the year-on-year print and above 0.7% for the month-on-month print, then we might see markets reprice the expectations for Bank of England rate cuts, and we could see the pound lift strongly if we see a very firm and high inflation print, as I've outlined there. Now, if you just take a look at the pound dollar, we can see that we're sitting around this big support level, about 1.2400, and we could see the pound US dollar move higher as yield differentials, which have been pushing to the downside, start moving higher if inflation in the UK is seen as more of a problem than economists are currently projecting. So, pound US dollar is a period of seasonal strength. Will we see the pound dollar gain on Wednesday? The major trade risk here, of course, is if the UK CPI surprises to the downside, that should accelerate further pound dollar weakness and is a serious risk given the focus of the UK on inflation data right now and pound traders. Sign up here for thousands of more seasonal insights just waiting to be revealed. Remember, don't just trade it, season exit.